What is going on, guys, and welcome to another unboxing video on my channel. And today this is a bit of a special unboxing because it's an unboxing video for a tool I want to use for unboxings. I struggled a bit in the past with lighting when I was doing my unboxings, so I was looking for lamps and stuff on Amazon, and I found this thing, the ESDDI LED shooting tent kit, and I ordered it. It's 60 by 60 in dimensions in centimeters, so I guess that's around 24 inches if you count in inches. But I would say let's not waste any time, have a look what's inside the box and then build it up and have a look what we can do with it. Right, so okay, guess we have to get it out here. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in the box. Okay, that's it. I will remove the box for now. The video might be a bit shaky right now. Okay, put the box aside. All right, so there we have it. So we have, this is a diffuser cloth or whatever you want to call it. Different backgrounds. We see it has this velcro, so we can clip that, I guess. And yeah, so we have orange, white, black and gray, so we can play around with the colors a bit. Put this aside as well for now. Okay, that's the power switch for the light. That's the connector. Let's remove this real quick and plug this together. Alright, let's remove this here. Alright, so I saw a lot of people asking on the comments on Amazon if it's got a weird smell to it, like a chemical smell or something like that. And I have to say it does have a little weird smell, but it's not that bad. It's really not bad. You hardly can smell it. So we have some welcome guides here. Yeah, hello, and the user manual. I guess it should be pretty self-explaining because it's foldable, but let's see. We'll check that out. I put the power connector aside for now and the manuals as well, and have a look how that works. And that's the front view now. So on the front view, you can open this, see the box from the inside. So you can shoot from the front. I will close this real quick. That Velcro seems to be pretty strong as well, so that's something good. And if I turn the box now, that's the upper side. And on the upper side you see we have an opening as well, so you can shoot from top. And now one interesting thing is, and therefore I will open the box up completely on the front. I'll try to turn this around like this, and I will open it up completely so you can see that. So that's the top side of the shooting box, and you can see that has like a LED strip around the whole top in a square. And I will hook that up now, and I will be right back for you after I hooked everything up and show you how it looks inside and how the quality looks like when we shoot. with the box. Alright guys, so this is how the box looks like from the front. As I said before, maybe you saw it before. Well, it's loud, so you can open this up here, you can shoot through this hole here, or if you want to close it, you can also fully open it. And as you can see, I put the white plastic inside right now, one of the 4 color options we got, but you can basically lay everything in it. And you see I have my little Chewbacca here, and I'm also recording from the top with my iPad, and you have this little controller. I hooked it up to the power, so you have a switch on it where you can turn it on and off, and once it's on you have this little wheel and you can turn on the lights. So this is as low as it gets. I hope you can see this good in the video. It's a bit flickering, but once you turn it more up, and you can see it's getting brighter and brighter and brighter and brighter and brighter. And yeah, this is the brightest it gets, and I would say that's pretty nice. It's pretty decent, and I hope that my videos will profit from that in the future. So I'm planning on doing my unboxings with this box from now on. I will also show you some top views from the iPad here now in this video. But I would say that's pretty much it. I will leave all the links to the SD photo box from Amazon. I ordered it from Amazon. I will leave the links in the description below. If you like this video, hit the subscribe and bell button and leave a like. And thanks everyone for watching. See you next time.